Hello everyone. In this video, I'd like to show you how to easily change your PSN display name on the PS5. This name is called a lot of different things like username, Gamertag, PlayStation Network ID, but really it's just the name that others see on your profile on PlayStation and also in multiplayer games. So changing your name the first time on an account is free, but additional changes after that are actually $5 per name change for PS Plus members and $10 per change for non-members. It's the same cost on Xbox, and you really want to make sure that you do want to change your name before hitting that submit button. So let me show you how to do it. So on the PS5, you want to first go to the settings icon on the top right, the gear icon, and then from here scroll down to users and accounts, and then select account, and on the right side you're going to want to go to profile. Notice at the very top it says sign in ID, and that's different. That's what you use to sign in to your PlayStation Network account, and that's the email address. But we want to go to profile, and then from here go to online ID, and then click I accept, and then continue. And from here you're going to want to sign in to that login. So as you can see, your sign in ID is at the top already, and now you just have to put in the password. From here, click on OK. So this is where you can check availability of a name and also if it's against the PlayStation terms of service. So of course you can't put profanity, and I think there's also a character limit. But anyway, you can put whatever you want here and then check if it's available. It's going to have an exclamation point if it's not, and then if it is, let's just select one of these pre-made ones, it's going to show a check mark. From here, you can just confirm it on the bottom right. So two things to keep in mind are, first, once you do this, you are going to be signed out of PSN on all of your PlayStation devices, so just make sure to sign back in, not really a big deal. And then also, you're given the option to show both your old name and the new one side by side on your profile for up to 30 days. And that's just for people on your friends list, because someone might see that you changed your name and not know who you are and then take you off their friends list, for example. So just a cool feature that they offer that I would take advantage of. So that's pretty much it for this video. It's really straightforward. If you have any questions, just leave them down below in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.